The Bloch Dance Women's Tap Flex S0388L tap shoe is a standout piece of dance footwear, combining comfort, durability, and professional-level design. Crafted with full leather uppers and paired with shock-absorbing insoles, this shoe is perfect for both studio classes and stage performances. Current prices and discounts often fluctuate, but the product retains strong value for its premium build and reputable brand. Dancers rave about the flexibility of the split-sole design, which provides an enhanced range of motion while maintaining support for the foot's arch. The professionally engineered metal tap plates are praised for their clear and resonant sound on the floor, offering a strong sense of rhythm and articulation. Key features like the cushioned insole and secure lacing system add to its overall comfort and snug fit in extended rehearsals. Pros include the shoe's sturdy build, acoustically precise taps, and appealing fit for narrow or regular foot types. Some users believe the initial stiffness is a minor drawback, but most say this softens after short break-in periods. Customer ratings are consistently positive, showing high satisfaction particularly among intermediate and advanced dancers. We share by links in the description box.